It's bath time. Oh, they both went in there. Ooh. Rocky, you're so nice. Rocky's like, when is it my turn? Zoey, can it be my turn now? Let me in, Zoey. Zoey, be nice. Zoey! Come on, let Rocky take a bath. Zoey! Zoey! Female bungees. Zoey! Get it, Rocky. That's a good girl. Zoey. From somebody that only bathed in her water dish, now she loves the tub. Rocky's always liked to take a bath. Zoey, be nice. There we go. Oh. My goodness. They're itchy because they just got done molting. Rocky likes to dip her sides. Okay. Nope, nope, more. My goodness, we're really bathing today. Woo! Clean birds. Nope. Rocky's thinking about more. Yep, there she goes again. It's bath day. Woohoo! It's soaked. Oh my goodness. Did you have a good bath, girls? Hmm? Yeah?